Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Harris and I am presenting my article critique that I wrote last week on health apps and behavior change. I'm going to go on and apologize in advance. I sound very nasally. I just got over a sinus infection, so I'm going to do my best to get through this presentation without sniffling or sneezing. Let's begin. The article that I read and did the critique on raised three important questions. First, what types of mobile health apps and BCTs standing for behavior change techniques, are being used to support user engagement with their health behaviors? The second question is how effective are mobile health apps in improving and maintaining positive health behavior changes? And finally, the last question is what are participant perceptions of the feasibility, functionality, and overall user experience of the mobile health apps that they use? So first things first, let's start off. What are health apps? Health apps are used to improve their users' health. They can do this in a variety of ways, but I've summarized them in these three below. They can increase your activity, they can track vitals, and they can also encourage healthy habits. I am the proud owner of many health apps, one of which is my Fitbit, which I am currently wearing, and then I also have quite a few on my phone as well. The study in the article that I read used a search strategy based on the Population Intervention Comparison and Outcome Template, or the PICO template. It also assessed data from 4 separate databases, some of which you may have heard of: PubMed, Embase, Cumulative Index to Nursing and Allied Health Structure, and finally, Web of Science. So to help out with breaking down this article, I broke the analyzation into 2 separate parts. So this is part 1. The study analyzed 2 outcomes from over 5,299 articles, and these 2 outcomes are the participants' behavior change in relation to the downloading of the app, and finally, the app's features that promote health behavior change. So of all of those articles that were studied and analyzed, 25% yielded a positive correlation between health behavior improvement and the installation of the app. 30% found some positive correlation, and surprisingly, 45% of those studies found no positive correlation between the apps and the activities of the user. So if you're like me, you are an owner of many fitness apps. I was actually very surprised to find that the study found no correlation between the health apps and the performance of health behaviors in the users. I personally think that the study should be expanded and replicated to include other health apps, perhaps some that are more popular and used by more people. I also think that public health officials and app designers should work together and collaborate to increase healthy behaviors. I know that there are some things that public health has insights about, and there's also insights that tech designers have. By working together, I feel like we could replicate this study and actually promote health change through using health apps. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, list them below. Have a great day.